Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another fall haul. Yes, I told you guys I'm obsessed with fall. You guys know that. So yeah, I'm going to share with you what I got. Some of the things that I picked up are not necessarily like just for fall. They're things I can use year round, but I couldn't see my fall decor without these items. You'll see what I mean. I'll kind of talk about that. I did also order a buffet for my dining room. I really wanted to share that with you in this video, but it's not going to be in for another 5 days or so. So that will just have to wait. But let's get into the haul. So everybody's into the black and white buffalo check or gingham, whatever you call it. And I did not want to like dive into that trend. I just didn't want to because I know everybody else is doing it, but I've been suckered in, you guys. I have fallen victim to gingham. I have personally been victimized by buffalo check. It's taking over. So let me show you what I got. I only want to do like a few little pops of it if I can contain my debit card for the next like month and not buy any more. But I did get these really pretty buffalo check chargers. These came from Michael's, and I actually showed very similar ones in a Hobby Lobby haul, and they were $4.99 or $5.99 at Hobby Lobby, and these are $2.99 at Michael's. These are glossy. The Hobby Lobby ones are more matte, so they're like a little bit more farmhouse, and this, if I get up close, hopefully you'll be able to tell. Sorry about the glare. It kind of looks like it's watercolor print on there. So these are a little less refined, a little more, I mean, same church, different pew kind of thing, but on sale these were $1.79. So I did go ahead and get 4 of them. All right, you guys, this next piece is a big mama. I'm gonna try to hold it up and get it all in frame, but oh yeah, I got it all in frame. So I picked up this tray. This came from HomeGoods, and it's just a large square tray. It is like carved wood, and it has this whitewashing on it. This is so similar to the tray that I already have on my coffee table that you guys are always complimenting me on. But that tray is pretty small for the coffee table that I have now. It fit perfectly on my old coffee table that was a lot smaller, but it just kind of looks ridiculous on my coffee table now. So I wanted a larger tray, but I absolutely adore that one, and I will die if I cannot find a place for it. I'm sure I can, but yeah, when I saw this, I was like, I have to have it. When I brought this home and set it on the table, Jose was like, when did we get that? Like, he had a face of sheer horror on. And I was like, today? He goes, how much was that? And I'm like, how much do you think it was? He was like, $60, $60, $70. He thought this was really expensive, but you guys, this was $19.99. And the smaller one that I have that has the mirror in the bottom was only like $7.99. So these are so nice and just gorgeous from HomeGoods. If you see them, snag them, because they really just, my space is very gray. My couch is like a medium gray. My table is like a dark gray, and this just brightens it right up. It's the perfect pop of just lightness that I need in my decor. So I'm really happy to have scored. The next item that I have for you guys is this candle. So I guess we started it last year. My parents and I would go to the we do go to the farmer's market on Saturdays in our town, and the farmer's market doesn't really get good until August, and that's kind of like when things are being harvested and whatever. So our farmer's market is next to a really well-known large glass manufacturer, and they sell these candles in there. So we always go and look at the glassware. I pick up a candle or wax melts pretty much every time I go. So this is the brand Swan Creek, which is also manufactured in my area. And this is the scent Honey Soaked Apples. This is so good. I didn't realize how much I really love apple scents until this year. Like, I was enjoying them last year, but it wasn't until this year that I realized, like, okay, wait, I'm gravitating towards apple more than anything else. So this is so good. This is very much a sweetened apple scent. It reminds me of caramel apple from Bath & Body Works. It reminds me of Cider Lane. They're all kind of conveying the same thing in different ways, and there's no scent notes on this, so I don't know if there's caramel or vanilla It smells like there's probably some vanilla in here, maybe a hint of like brown sugar or something. It doesn't necessarily smell like an apple pie. It's not bakery. It smells like Honeycrisp apples, maybe dipping into some caramel sauce. It's so good. I haven't burned it yet, but I'm really excited to because it is soy wax, so they burn a lot longer and they're cleaner burning. So if you're looking for candles that are like safer in your home as far as like air quality goes when you're burning a candle, maybe look into Swan. Guys, we are gonna get into this bag, but I think I wanna save that for last because there's some really good items in there. And I wanna share this with you. So, oh my gosh. Okay, so I got this from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so I fixed it, you guys. I got this from Hobby Lobby. This is a 2-tier tray. If you guys have been with me since last fall, then you know that I had a 3-tier tray on my coffee station at my apartment, and I absolutely loved decorating that. Like, I didn't really love decorating my apartment in general because I just didn't like my apartment. But I was always excited to decorate that 3-tier tray in my coffee bar, and that was like one little area in my apartment that I was always really proud of because it was so cute. But yeah, that 3-tier tray does not fit where I put my coffee maker in my house. I don't know if you guys can see it right over here. I have this little, maybe like 1.5 foot space of countertop to the left of my refrigerator, the left if you're looking at it. And my coffee maker, my Keurig, fits perfectly right there. And this counter space would never be used if I didn't put my coffee maker there. And so it's just nice because the rest of my counters are clear and that's like out of the way and whatever. But my 3-tiered tray doesn't fit there. But I could not imagine not having a tiered tray to decorate in the fall. So I got a smaller one, and my kitchen is very white. I'm like looking over there. It's very white. It can look it looks very sterile in a way, which I like, but I thought that the wood would kind of like warm it up or whatever. And I'm so excited to start decorating. Let me know if you guys want like a dedicated coffee station video because I would love to make that. Okay, so now let's get into this big bag of pumpkins. Yes, it's a bag of pumpkins, you guys. I got quite a few. Where to begin? I think I will start off with a pumpkin that I got several DMs about. So if you aren't following me on Instagram, I'll put it across the screen right here and I'll link it below. I've been posting to my stories pictures of really cute fall decor that I'm seeing while I'm out, things that I'm buying, things that I'm not buying because I can't buy every single pumpkin. So I'm leaving some behind, you guys. I have to, but I'm posting pictures. I'm documenting it all. I don't want to forget those beautiful pumpkins that had to be left behind. But anyways, I posted a picture of this one and I asked you guys, should I get it? And a lot of you DM'd me and you guys were like, yes. And where is that from? Because I want it. So this is from HomeGoods. It is just a cream pumpkin with a gorgeous kind of antiqued silver glitter. There's like different kinds of silver, which I always pay attention to because I hate like bright silver. That's not really my style. I liked a more antiqued, toned down silver that has like maybe a hint of pewter to it, if you will. So yeah, that's what this is. And I'm getting a little bit tired of everything saying phrases on it, but if it's in glitter and gorgeous like this, it is a-okay with me. And if I didn't already say, this was $9.99. Oh, let me show you something that's not a pumpkin so that we can end with some pumpkins. I did also pick up these honey spoons. These are by Melville Candy and they were $3.99. There are tons of flavors at HomeGoods. They had clover honey, they had salted caramel honey, they had like lemon ginger honey. This is Tupelo honey, I believe is how you say that. And it just melts in your tea. So I thought this would be cute for my coffee station because Jose actually doesn't drink coffee. He drinks tea if I make it for him. and he loves honey in his tea. So I really got these for him because I need to sweeten him up, okay, so that I can start putting my fall decor out a little early, you know? So yeah, I got that. Now let's end with a bang. I think you guys are gonna like these. I purchased 3 of these velvet pumpkins. I posted a picture of these with all of my other, not all of my other velvet pumpkins. I have some more velvet pumpkins in storage, but I posted a picture of these in my community tab, and yeah, they're amazing. So I took the tags off of these, but these 2 are like the medium size that's offered at HomeGoods right now, and they are $6.99. So I have the cream one, and I think I have this already from last year. And then I got the dark charcoal gray. I wish the cream one would have a green stem, but that's okay. And then I picked up the smaller version, which is $5.99. So here's a size comparison. And if you guys saw my Hobby Lobby shop with me, then you know that I picked up this velvet pumpkin. I thought that these kind of looked like they go together. I mean, they're almost the same color. This one's a little bit darker, but yeah, so I got those. I have quite the little velvet pumpkin collection going on right now. I don't know how many is too many. I really don't think you can have too many velvet pumpkins. I don't. So that is it for this haul, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed and you saw some things that you like. I'll link what I can below. I'll see if I can find any similar options for you guys. I know that there are velvet pumpkins at Joann's. They have a navy blue, a burgundy, and an orange. And then, you know, Hobby Lobby has this orange one. And I can't recall if I've seen them anywhere else, but you're definitely going to want to check out HomeGoods and TJ Maxx because mine are right next to each other. They're one and the same basically, and they had such good fall decor. If you guys want a fall shop with me at any of those stores, let me know and I'd be happy to do that. Sorry if the lighting got a little bit weird. I just noticed that it seems a little bit darker than when I started, but it's getting ready to storm outside and I am okay with that because I don't feel like watering my plants today, and hopefully Mother Nature just does it for me. So if you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you back in my next one. Bye guys.